Hello and welcome to the Paper Cup Travel. Yesterday was August 1st, and at 5 p.m. Swatch released a limited edition Super Blue Moon Phase edition of the MoonSwatch. And at 5 p.m. I was able to get in line for the watch, and they still had some. So this watch is supposedly only limited because it's being sold from August 1st through August 19th and only after 5 p.m. at select stores. But first off, you can see it's not the normal red Swatch bag, so they made blue bags for that. And when purchased, you got the box. So here's the mission to the Super Blue Moon Phase Biosymmetric MoonSwatch collection. Some facts about the Super Blue Moon. And then so I'll open that up in 1 second, because they also included a little blacklight keychain. And I can show you what that's for in a second. So let's open this up and see what we get inside. It's the same box as the other moon swatches. You can open that up. Take a look here at the, is it an instruction booklet or a pamphlet? It's just a pamphlet talking about the features of this. And also what's included in here is, the advertisement for all the other missions. And flip that over. The instructions. That is the warranty card, and of course the watch. Here we go. Comes with the plastic protective cover on there for the boxing. The same band as all the others. You get the Velcro standard band. We can remove this just to get the true color. And you can see the moon phase here. So we can see that this does have a different movement they were telling me about, in that it should be quicker to reset. So if I stop it and reset it, I keep getting that wrong, stop it and reset it, you can see it returns to the 0 faster. The fun thing about these is that there's a hidden message. Let's see if it'll show up on camera here. Zoom in. So just as the Snoopies have a hidden message, this one does here as well, and it just says Super Blue Moon. This also has a different crystal. They're trying to tell me it's a bit of a scratch-resistant crystal, but I will be putting a screen protector on it regardless, just to try to preserve it a bit better. Thank you for taking the time to watch this quick unboxing of the mission to the Super Blue Moon Phase. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe,